So my guinea fowl has been laying eggs for almost, it's not the most a month, it was ending of last month, it started laying eggs. So I decided to trace it and I have started packing the eggs. That was when I remember that I supposed to make content with it. I decided to go and pick my phone and I quickly start showing you the leftover eggs. As you can see, these eggs that you're seeing are from like three guinea fowl. Each day they lay three eggs. So I decided to move some of the eggs. I am taking it. I am changing the position, but I have to lay some so that when I come back, they will continue to be laying there. And these ones are eggs from noilers. My noilers started laying eggs too. As you can see, noiler eggs are a little bit big, while the guinea fowl eggs are smaller. Noiler have light shell, guinea fowl have this hard shell. Yeah, you can see the guinea fowl have one kind of shiny that I cannot even explain. But once you are rearing these two, you'll be able to differentiate between the chicken's eggs and the guinea fowl. Look at how guinea fowl eggs are looking like. So I took this guinea fowl back home because I want to do something with it. I decided to start marking it one after the other. I am putting these marks one after the other, enable for me to be able to recognize, for me be able to mark it because I want to put it in my incubator. I am planning to have a lot of guinea fowls. In fact, it's not only guinea fowls. I am planning to have a lot of birds. Any of my birds that lay eggs, I will try to hatch it and bring it back to the field so that I will have a colony, a flock of birds in my yard. So right now I am marking these eggs in order to put them inside my incubator. This one will be easy for me to know which one did I
This
turn
is
and which
tight.
one did I not turn.
I'm giving
So
out
these are the
tight.
fresh ones. I keep this one separately for something
And
else.
look at
Yeah,
the body
I
of the
keep like
tight connector.
12
Look at the other
differently
one.
because these two
Thank
people
you.
that you are seeing
They
moving
carry red
around
oil.